Okay, ladies, to get started, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips. I'm using my lip balm by Summer Rain. You can check out her products at summerrain.com. I'm also going to go ahead and prime my lids. I've already moisturized my face, or cleansed and moisturized my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into the eyes. I'm going to be using the Tartelette Toasted palette. The shade that I'm using first is Cashmere, and I'm just placing that in my crease area. Then I'm going to warm it up with the shade Cozy. And I'm just placing both of those colors in my crease, windshield wiper motions, just going back and forth. To deepen up my outer portion of my eye, I'm going to go ahead and put the shade Fireside just in the outer V of my eye. And I'm using this smaller taper brush. I forgot what brush that was, but it is by Morphe. I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 5.0 and a flat brush. I'm just carving out my crease. I'm going to do a full cut crease here. Today I'm not doing a half one, so I'm just going to extend the cut of the crease all the way to the outer portion of my eye instead of stopping it in the middle like I normally do. Now on top of my lid, I'm going to apply the shade Cashmere on top of that concealer. Now I'm just applying the glitter glue by NYX or glitter primer, and then I'm going to go on top of it with Orbit Orange by bulkglitters.com, and I'm just going to place that right on top of that eyeshadow in the shade Cashmere. I don't know why, but I just feel like the camera is not doing this glitter any type of justice, but I promise y'all the look was bomb. Now to start out with foundation, I'm going to go in with my absolute favorite foundation of all time. I want to say for sure 2017. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 212 Cocoa. And y'all, this foundation is so full coverage, it's ridiculous. Like, I don't have to have any other foundation in the world besides my Fenty, of course. But this foundation just does what it's supposed to do. It's inexpensive and it lasts pretty much all day long, or all night long, and I don't have to worry about it. So I'm placing that all over. I did go in with a small detail brush just to cover the top of my brows because my brush was too big to do so, and I didn't want to mess up my brows. But I love this foundation. This foundation does oxidize, so it will not be this same shade once I'm done finishing my foundation. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite concealers of the year. These are the Tarte Tape Shape Concealers. I'm using the shade Deep and Tan Sands, and I'm placing those in the center points of my face to do the highlighting. And I'm going to also use this Morphe sponge to blend out, and it's one of my favorite sponges of the year as well. And for some reason, I feel like I used too much concealer, but I made it work, and I fixed it and adjusted and blended as much as I could. It can be fixed, like, so don't be like shocked and appalled, but anything can be fixed. But I really do feel like I use too much concealer. I get carried away, I can't help it. Like the concealer, when you apply your concealer, it literally snatches your soul, like for real. Now I'm just using my foundation brush, and I'm just going to buff out around the outer portion of the concealer that I applied. Then I'm going to go in with my RCMA No Color Powder. I'm going to use that to set my under eye as well as my forehead, chin, cupid's bow, and oh, get it. Now I'm going to go ahead and warm my face up. I'm using this Bobbi Brown bronzer, absolute favorite bronzer. I've used it for a couple of years now. This is, again, I said Bobbi Brown bronzer in the shade D4. It's a bronzing powder, and it just warms my face up to no end. I don't have to worry about, like, I try to find like a cheaper alternative, but y'all, this is it. The only other alternative that I can think of is the NYX matte bronzer, which I love those as well. Here I'm just going to go ahead and set my entire face. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in the shade Cocoa as well. And then going back in with a little bit more of that Bobbi Brown D4. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my contour. I'm actually going to use a blush to contour. I'm using MAC's Film Noir blush. It is like the perfect deep, I want to say raspberry brownie color. Like, I can't even describe it, but y'all, it's the perfect contour shade for women of color. If you're my skin tone or deeper, like, this is an awesome contour powder. And you can also use it as a blush. You just want to use a light hand. Next, I'm going to just go down and apply all of my colors that I use on my eye down below. Then I'm going to go in with my Inglot number 77 gel liner, and I'm going to wing out my eye. The way I did my eyes today, it actually helped with, it looks better with the wing, so I could not do a wing. So I'm just going to use this brush I have. It's the actual wing liner brush from Sephora. I wish it was a little bit more stiffer, but it actually does the job, and I really liked how the wing turned out. Because y'all know, those wings get out of control sometimes, Lord. I'm also going to place that same Inglot number 77 gel liner in my waterline. Then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara in Black is Black, and I'm going to place it on my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm placing the shade Blunt. It's a blush also from MAC. I'm placing that on my nose. Then I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero palette. And I'm using the shade Kitty Cat, and I'm placing it on my cheeks. I'm going to place it down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to place it on the tip of my nose, and I'm going to place it on my Cupid's bow as well. I hate that I couldn't get an extra one of these palettes. Like, they seriously need to come back with it. What are they waiting on? Now I'm going to go in with my favorite lip liner by NYX. This is Mahogany. And then I'm going to also go right behind that with my Kat Von D Crucifix lip liner and deepen it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and use all-time favorite MAC lipstick in the shade Honey Love. And I'm going to go on top of that with this MAC liquid lipstick, I think it is. But no, it's a gloss. It is in the shade Let's Rock, and it's one of their Grand Illusion lip colors. It doesn't say, it says liquid lip color, but yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face and set that makeup in, honey. And there you have it. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Let me be the first to tell y'all Happy New Year. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel this year. And I will see you all in 2018. Be safe. Enjoy yourselves. Let's wish and pray for more love, prosperity, and togetherness for the new year. I'll see you all in 2018. Bye, beauties.